Today I'm working on graphics for my new action-adventure game, so this is a good time to show you my graphics editor. Let's take a look. This is the debug menu for my last game, Gobbo Helsing. You'll notice that the graphics editor is actually built right into the game, and it uses the same engine as the rest of the game, and it's written in C. So let's load up a graphics file. These are graphics tables. If you've ever done any work with the NES, you'll recognize the same terminology, and it's roughly the same. The system can hold 2 of these in memory at a time, one for the background, one for sprites. These are all the sprites that are used on the final level of my game. Here are the sprites that make up a spider, if you put them all together and animate them correctly. These create a knight, and this one here creates a little bat. You'll notice it's kind of chopped up. The graphics themselves are defined in these little 8 pixel by 8 pixel units. This is one animation frame of the left side of a bat. This is the second animation frame of that left side. And we can go in here and edit it, if we want to make the bat look happy, for example. In the actual game, this graphic will be used twice to create the left side and then mirrored to create the right side of the bat. And then for the second frame of animation, the same thing will be done here. It'll display this graphic on the left and the next flipped over on the right. Because this graphics editor is run in the same system as the game, it has the same memory limitations. So it can only load one background graphics table at a time. That means that this editor has to share the same background tiles for its own interface as it displays here for the game graphics, which means if we go in here and we edit these tiles, let's just put in something very simple. When we go back out, we'll notice that the interface updates because it's all drawing from the same memory. And that's how I create the graphics for my game. If you'd like a more in-depth look at how to actually display those graphics as pixels on a screen, check out my longer video.